Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we got the Xiaomi CW500, the security camera for outdoors. Now this one can be used indoors if you like, and this one allows you to have both your wireless and wired connection via the Ethernet. Also, I wanted to give you a brief overview of this camera, what the camera looks like, what do we need to do, and how to install and set up the app. The camera, so the camera will be mounted upside down. Obviously this one goes on the ceiling, and this one allows you to have two cameras in this way. Now you can move the top angle to wherever you want, like if you want to have it like on the, so it has like small grooves, so you can move it to the left and keep the other one to the right, or vice versa. So whatever you want to have it set up as, you can have it at. As you can see, the camera on the top is kind of fixed, so once you fix it on a position, maybe to the left or to the right, the bottom one can be moved from the app, and the app allows you to move this camera up and down, so it can go this way and it can also go left to the right as well. I'll give you a bit of demonstration once it's all up and running. Now this one has a button at the back. Now this one has, so this is where you hold your SD card and also your reset button. So I've already inserted a 256 GB SD card in there, and this is where the reset button is. So once you start setting it up via the Xiaomi Mi Home app, you will have to press that button for 7 seconds so that it resets, and once it resets, you need to then set up your device. So the camera has two connectors, one is for power, the other one is for wired connection. If you are going to use the Ethernet connection or a wired connection, you need to run the Ethernet cable from your router to the camera. It comes with this charger, which is a normal CCTV camera charger or camera power adapters. So I've got another CCTV cameras. They also run on 12 volts, 5 amps or 1 amp. Now you can use the same one. If you already have a CCTV camera there, you might be just able to use the same existing pin and use a splitter, but if you don't have, you might have to run this whole thing again by yourself. Obviously this one plugs in to the power cable on the camera, as you can see here, and then once it's all run, it'll start running. So now I have turned the camera on. You can see the power lights up, and then you can see it's now gonna rotate and do some checks, or maybe to the default position. So once it's all up and running, I will leave it as it is for now. That'll open the full camera, so you got two screens there. So see here, you got my hand and everything. Now from the bottom, you can actually so the things that I have on this thing is, one is mic, so you can actually record or say something on the camera and on the app. So you can say something on the app, and it will use the speakers on the camera to use that audio. So the camera also has alarm, so if you press that button, it'll play a sound. So you can just select this option here, then you can move the camera to the position that you want. For example, just to show you, if I go left, up, down, right. So yeah, you can set up everything like this from the phone. But yeah, if you want to set up or sign up for cloud services, you can do it as well.